Welcome to the top best. The best potato dumplings is probably one of the most comforting and satisfying dishes you can make, especially during the colder months. But who has time to peel, boil, and mash potatoes from scratch? Today, we're diving into a convenient solution, a German potato dumplings mix. We'll explore how easy it is to prepare, the taste, and whether it lives up to the authentic German experience. Number 5. Manischewitz gluten-free potato pancake mix, 6-pack. This is the traditional style potato lax just like Bubby used to make them. You can enjoy the authentic taste with this mix. It is gluten-free, with no MSG, artificial flavors, or colors. This means it is a healthier choice for you and your family. The package includes a detailed recipe and easy-to-follow instructions. You can quickly prepare delicious potato pancakes. Enjoy these crispy pancakes straight from the pan. You can top them with sour cream or applesauce for an extra delicious treat. It is certified kosher for Passover and year-round use. This product is suitable for various dietary needs. What we like. This mix is gluten-free, making it a great option if you have dietary restrictions. It's also incredibly easy to prepare, perfect for a quick weeknight meal. If you like crispy potato pancakes, this is the one for you. What people say. It mixes well and cooks well. These were easy to make and very tasty. Easy to mix and delicious. Number 4. Dr. Willi Knoll 12 Potato Dumpling Mix 10 ounces. Are you craving a taste of authentic German cuisine? This mix makes it easy to create delicious potato dumplings. It's a convenient way to enjoy a classic dish. Preparing these dumplings is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions on the package, and you'll have a hearty meal in no time. It's perfect for a quick and satisfying dinner. This mix captures the true essence of German potato dumplings. The dumplings have a fluffy texture and a savory taste. They are a perfect side dish or a main course. The 10-ounce package is perfect for making a family-sized meal. There are 12 dumplings in total. It's a great value for a taste of Germany. Bring the flavors of Germany to your table with this potato dumpling mix. It's a simple way to enjoy a traditional dish. You'll love the taste and convenience. What we like. This mix offers an authentic flavor, bringing a taste of tradition to your table. Preparation is easy, so you can enjoy delicious dumplings without spending hours in the kitchen. If you are looking for a classic German side dish, you should consider this. What people say. Love these dumplings, simple to make, so good with gravy or pot roast. Taste is very good. Have bought many times and will buy again. It makes a lot of dumplings. Delicious and easy to use, very authentic to German restaurant dumplings. Fresh taste of a potato dumpling. The powder is sealed well in a bag within the box, the instructions are readable, and the cost isn't bad for the amount you get. Number 3. Pfanni Kartoffel Dumplings Halb and Halb from Germany. Today, we're featuring a classic German side dish. This is a pack of delicious dumplings. They are perfect for any meal. These dumplings are the Halb and Halb variety. It is a traditional recipe. You'll love the authentic taste. These dumplings come directly from Germany. It is made with high-quality ingredients. You can taste the difference. This pack contains a single serving. It is easy to prepare. Enjoy this delightful treat. Try this authentic German dumpling. It is a great addition to any meal. Enjoy this delicious food. What we like. This product is made in Germany, ensuring an authentic taste experience. It's designed to be easy to cook, saving you time and effort. If you like traditional German food, this is a great choice. What people say. They are spot on. Easy to make, good flavor. The taste is good. Number 2. Maggi 6 Potato Dumplings in Cooking Bag. Introducing Maggi Potato Dumplings, a delicious and convenient meal option. This product is perfect for a quick and easy dinner. Preparing this is incredibly simple. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have a tasty meal in no time. These dumplings are made in Germany, ensuring high-quality ingredients and production standards. This product is made with quality ingredients, ensuring a great taste and a satisfying meal. It's a perfect choice for any occasion. Enjoy the delicious taste of Maggi potato dumplings. It's a convenient and tasty meal option for everyone. What we like. This product is incredibly easy to prepare, perfect for busy weeknights. Made with quality ingredients in Germany, it offers a delicious and convenient meal. If you are looking for a quick and tasty side dish, you should consider this. What people say. The dumplings turned out great. They were light and fluffy. The flavor was excellent. Number 1. Knoll Semmel Knodel, 200 g 7.1 ounces, bread dumplings. Experience the rich heritage of European cuisine. These genuine dumplings are meticulously created to capture the essence of time-honored flavors. Crafted by Dr. Willi Knoll, this product uses the finest ingredients. It ensures a flawless texture and delightful taste in every mouthful. Enjoy restaurant-quality dumplings at home with ease. The convenient packaging and simple cooking instructions make it simple. Elevate any meal with these versatile dumplings. They pair perfectly with stews, sauces, and various dishes, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary feasts. Relive cherished memories or create new ones with your family. Share the heartwarming experience of these delightful dumplings. Made with wholesome components, this product prioritizes your well-being. It does so without compromising the delightful taste of Dr. Willi Knoll's creations. Embark on a gastronomic journey that combines tradition and innovation. This is the quintessential choice for discerning palates. What we like. This product offers an authentic taste, bringing the essence of European cuisine to your table. Preparation is easy, allowing you to enjoy restaurant-quality dumplings at home. If you like versatile dishes that pair well with various meals, you should consider this. What people say. The dumplings turned out great. The flavor was excellent. Easy to make. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.